Can we please get into this silk press that I just got on my hair, you guys? Just look at that body. Look at the luster. Just look at it. No? Okay. I love this texture. It's very pretty. It's silky. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick. It does give like that natural silk press luster, and I really like that. But for real, let's get into this wig. This is a 14-inch straight bob wig from Junoda Hair, and if you guys would like to see how I got to this point, just keep on watching. So I did braid down my hair, and every time I braid down my hair, I try to use some type of oil. Today I'm using my Camille Rose Ultimate Growth Serum, and you guys, it feels so amazing when you oil that scalp, honey. Make sure you oil the scalp. So I'm just going to be doing that, making sure that I'm putting it on my scalp, and then I just go through and massage it in. And once I do that, I do use a wig cap. I do not do the ball cap method. I'm not a ball cap gal. I don't even know how to do that. I just put it on to keep my edges safe. But I will be tinting my lace with my even lace tint, and I go in and spray that throughout the lace. And I like the even lace tint. It works pretty well for me. I do have it in the, I think, light medium brown. And I just put it on my head to see how it's looking. It's looking alright so far. The wig did come pre-bleached and lightly plucked, so I'm just gonna wear it how it came. I do go in and spray my even on my cap as well. It's actually helpful to kind of already have the cap in your color. I'm using the cap that it came with, so that's just how I'm gonna make it work. All right. I like to clamp the hair out of the way so I can go in and cut these ear tabs. Y'all, I used to be so bad at cutting these ear tabs. I used to cut it all wrong. But I think now I'm finally getting a gist of it. And you just go in and basically cut where your ear lays, and the wig will lay flat by your ear. I honestly could have went in and kind of plucked the hair a little more, but hey, I'm going for a lazy girl friendly install. The wig came lightly plucked anyway, so I think it's just fine. Today I'm going to be using this lace spray, this even Wonder Lace. I like the red can over the black. Yes, the black works just as fine, but I don't know, it's just something about the red can. For a simple install, you just spray it on top and you apply some type of like lace band. I have this elastic band that I've had from previous installs, and I use that to just melt that lace right on in. And while that dries, I kind of like to plan the hair just to see what I'm working with. I'm going to brush it out and just see what type of style I'll be doing. So with this 14-inch bob, I am going for like that natural look. So I'm not going to be doing much to this hair because the texture and the luster already is so pretty. I'm just going to lightly bump it in the front so it can have kind of like that layered effect. Once I let that sit for a couple of minutes, I take it off so I can cut this lace off. So one of the easiest ways to cut lace off is with some type of razor. I had one just laying around. It's not the best, but it got the job done. You want to kind of cut in like a jagged motion. You do not want to cut straight across because most of our hairlines are not straight across, so that jagged motion kind of emulates it. Then I put my elastic band back on my head to let the remaining lace continue to lay. The wig kind of came already flat, but I like to go in with my hot comb just to make sure that it's flat. And one trick that I learned with the hot comb, I'm not a fan of the wax stick because I've never really used it. I think I used it once, but anyway, I like to spray some of my holding spray on top, and then I go back in with my hot comb to make sure it all lays down. It gives it a really nice finish, and you guys will see it coming up in this next clip because it just looks so seamless that way. It also kind of gives it like that salon chair finish, and I really like that. So to give that layered effect, I like to go through and flat iron my hair backwards, and once it lays, it gives it that kind of like whoosh layered look. I don't know what it's called, guys, but you see what it did. That's what it does. Alright guys, so I went ahead and styled the wig while it was drying. I love this texture. It's very pretty, it's silky. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick. It does give like that natural silk pressed luster, and I really like that. So I'm just going to take off this. Woo. And you guys, that is it for this install. No baby hairs. I kind of like that natural look that it's giving, and those layers are so pretty. I didn't cut anything. That's how it came, and that's how it looks after I flip the hair backwards. So thank you so much to Junoda Hair. You guys, all the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out if you want some natural looking tresses, because this is beautiful. Even if I went in and added a little more layers, I think that would be so beautiful and easily to be wrapped. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, until my next one, bye beauties.